Welcome to this beginner's guide on creating a custom header in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to customize your website header step by step. Begin by accessing your WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of the screen where you will see the login option. Simply click on this login area to proceed. After clicking the login option, you will be prompted with a choice of signing in. For a smoother process, select the option that reads Continue with Google. Once you click this, you will be taken to a screen where you choose the Google account you wish to use. This integration streamlines the login process and is particularly useful if you already use Google services regularly. After you have signed in using your Google account, the next task is to navigate to the Quick Links section. This is typically found as part of the WordPress dashboard interface. Within Quick Links, look for the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This action opens the site editor where many customization options become available. Within the site editor, your next step is to locate the element creation tool. This is easily found by looking towards the top left corner of the screen where a plus icon resides. Clicking on this icon allows you to add new elements and sections to your site. Following this, you will be instructed to type in the word header. Typing in this term will help filter the available options and make it simple to locate the header option within the list of available elements. When the results display items related to headers, click on the header choice you just typed in to have it added to your site. Once the header has been added, the tool provides you with additional options to modify and customize the header further. Simply click on the edit button in order to start making changes. This edit mode is key as it lets you adjust styling, positioning and content within the header section. In the edit mode now, you are free to add various blocks to further customize the header. The process of adding blocks involves simply choosing from a list of available components that can be included in your header design. Each block is designed to enhance the functionality and design of your header, allowing you to create a visually appealing and practical site navigation and branding area. To complete the customization, you will add pages to your header. This step allows you to integrate site navigation menus that will be displayed prominently in the header area. Once these pages are added, you can also adjust their positioning to ensure that the layout is both functional and visually balanced across your website. This final movement of elements around the screen completes the header customization process. Follow each of these steps carefully and take your time during the editing process to ensure that your customized header aligns perfectly with your website's style and purpose. Enjoy the process of personalizing your site and watch as your new header brings both clarity and aesthetic appeal to your WordPress website.